We here. Just woke up from a little snoozer. Oh, look at there. Oh, would you look at it? We took out the, no, we didn't take out that last level. I was talking about yet. Sure didn't. Oh, that retest. Lower retest worked. All right. Let me get this in here right quick. I'm going to go ahead and post. Let's see here. We're going to be trading a couple of evals this afternoon, I believe. I believe. I want to post my thing here. Let's see, let everyone know that we're live. Copy. Gonna be doing a couple of I haven't really decided which ones. I think I'm gonna go with some apexes, but we'll see here. All right. What up? Yeah, well, it's not really through Rise to Mimi. I think I always just put my card in. I think they just direct deposit. I don't remember. Is it through Rise? I don't remember. I really do not recall, but all right. So, what about Joaquin? Yes. A PM stream. Yeah, we got NVIDIA earnings today. So we're going to be looking to take advantage of that. Probably gonna go ahead and pick up some Apex accounts here to see if we can't. I'm not even gonna hedge. I'm going to straight bracket one above and one below and see what we can do on those. You know. Now I know who it is, Joaquin. It's all good. Yoma. I already knew who it was. Code JT. Yeah. 420 Yoma. International Tamimi. I don't know. Yoma, who does Apex use to pay out? I cannot remember. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank on it. Is it Rise? I don't remember. I do not recall. All right, let me see here. Let's see if this. Oh, dang, did I? Man, I forgot to. Yeah, it's all right. We'll do it in a minute. I got to get the. Hold on, I sneeze. Get the accounts purchased here. Probably should have did that earlier, but we got plenty of time, so it's no rush. Get those purchased, get the trade copier set up. It uses Rise. I could not remember. This card, man, I swear, I don't even know why I have this card. It never works. What's that, Max? We're going up? Uh-oh. Max said we're going up. He barked. What at Mastermind Academy? Anticipate hard fall this week, or I don't know. We've already kind of failed this week. I don't know. What is my child wanting? Oh, she sent me a TikTok. All right, we'll check it in a few minutes. We'll check it in a few minutos. First things first, let's try to get this stuff paid for if we can. It's always such a struggle to do this. I don't know why. Frustrates me. I don't like using my debit card. I don't know if you guys are this way. I don't like using my debit card to pay for stuff, so I try to use credit card. What up, Pine Tree? And it never wants to take them. Like, I don't understand that. So I always end up just using the frickin' debit card anyway. It say, I no like to you to use your card. I don't know. Rugged. You just got your fresh one. Let's go, John. We're going for it. While I'm waiting on this, I can go ahead and let's see. Come on, man. I think that we're probably going to go and run that 943 level. I don't even know if I have it marked out. Do I? We'll mark it out in a minute. I think that's what we're going to go run. Maxie. Oh, my goodness, man. There is a elephant on the TV, and he's barking. All right, let's put Pine Tree up there. Let's see if he barks at Pine Tree. There you go, Max. Bark at Pine Tree all you want. He doesn't care. Pine Tree doesn't care. He said, bark at me, bro. Come at me, bro. You know what? I'm probably just going to use the debit card. We'll just not worry with it. Sick of it not want to work. All right. Let's see here. Too much junk. How in the world? It was so ridiculous. So ridiculous, guys. No. I don't understand. Is that... How am I overlooking that? Where's that at? Hola, Treff. What's up, Amelia? Max is barking down of you. I think Pine Tree knows. Oh, wait, 2830. What am I looking at here, man? I'm looking at the wrong crap. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Maybe we got one that'll work this time. Hey, let's go. It worked. The only problem is... It's not really a problem per se. I did not. There, here we go. If you're just joining us, we are going to full send some accounts for We are going to take some trades too on a couple of others. So I just want to get these set up first. Get these accounts purchased. That way they can be loaded in. You guys know how long it takes these things to work sometimes to put them in there. I mean, come on, man. Why does it take the stupid... It takes the expiration date out. Why does it do that? I mean, you already make me click enough buttons as it is, bro. Yeah, I've used them a bit. Your larger sizing on this account, trying to thicken your skin. Yeah, let's go. Mi necesito más dinero. See, yeah, Francis, we're doing some evening trading, if you will. Evening trading. I wanted to build back up to 20 Apex accounts, and I wanted to take advantage before the sale ended. And I think earnings is a good way to do that. So that's the plan here. So that's 3 accounts purchased. Don't quite know how many. I don't know whether I'm going to do 10 or not. I am not going to hedge. We're going to bracket above, bracket below. So, through Wise. By the way, I typed the message a couple of minutes ago, but look, okay, cool. So yeah, it is Wise. Perfect. Thank you very much. I thought it was. It was either Rise or Wise. I couldn't remember which one. 4, 5, 5, 9. Okay. Do we just go for 5? What? Oh. Because it helps if I have the right card number in there. I kind of wanted to go for 10. NVIDIA bear or miss earnings? Whether NVIDIA does. Does NVIDIA beat earnings? There you go. They probably do. I would assume they do. All right, there's 5 purchased. Dumpage. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking we take out a little bit of levels lower as well, but you don't know, you know? Where's the ES at anyway? Let me see. ES, oops. Yes, sold back down to 51 there. We didn't run today's low though, did we? Did we? Yeah, I guess we did, huh? Yeah, we did run today's low. Previous day low still sitting down there. 990. I'm thinking 943 gets ran. They no longer use Wise. Okay. Let's continue purchasing. All right. Now we will use the code JT for a couple of accounts here. Let's see if that code gives me... I mean, if I fail these evals, though, I'm going to burn that code forever. Hey, Yoma, it says your code does not work. It says no coupons found with such code. Yours is JT, right? Yeah, exactly, to Mimi. But no, Yomi, your code's JT, right? Seriously. JT indeed. It is not working, brother. No coupons found with such code. Okay, Apex is Yoma. I was about to say, I mean, come on, man. You tell me the code's JT. I mean, you got to give out the right code. All right, that one worked. Got to be on it, giving out the right code. Possible 1 minute long here. All right, let's see here. I think I'm going to go 10 accounts. And we're not going to hedge. Blacklisted. That's right. Oh. What in the world? Why is it? What is going on with this? Whatever. Why is it not? I don't know, man. This thing is annoying me to death. All right. I'm sick of fighting with it. We're just going to go to the debit card. Did it send me a text? Is that why? Oh. It says activate my new card. That must be the problem. I haven't gotten a new card that I know of. This is the thing that I hate about buying these Apex accounts. It takes too long. I mean, like, let me just get the accounts in one go. Yeah, he said that poker tonight, but he didn't say what. He said around 8:30. So, and I know he wants it to be a cash game, which I'm a fan of. So, that's what it'll be. So yeah, I'm gonna listen to him in a minute. I don't have anybody pulled up right now. Buying these accounts takes so flipping long. Like, why does it take this long? Anyways, and then I'll post a link or whatever if I can. All right, we got 3 more to buy. You're playing poker tonight? Let's go, Trev. Haven't played in months. Where can I sign up? Well, that's what we're gonna do. We'll figure that out in a few minutes. Yolma. I think Cove is live, so I'll jump over there and ask him. And I will stream it, but I'm gonna do like a 3-minute delay. Especially since it is cash. I don't want you guys seeing my cards. You can see what I did to you afterwards. You know, like, oh, Methodical bluffed me. That dirty dog. Or Methodical had the goods. Oh, you're not playing? He had the goods. I didn't know that he had the goods like that. But he did. He did not bluff me. Sorry, guys. I'm signing. If you're just joining us, we are doing the full send. So I'm signing up for these accounts. I think I got one more. Yoma, you should get the $9 here. And one more sign up. And you'll be good. You should get it. I think you only get, I think you get like $3 per sign up here. So, all right, this should be 10. All right, nice bounce off the 50 there. All right, we're signed up. Let's get everything closed out. Try to buy some off into futures, but unfortunately, can't get it done. I'm not going to go long or short. I'm going to bracket above and below. All right, I'm in. All right. I just asked. All right, now I need to sign up for a Take Profit Trader eval. So that's what we'll trade until then. No problem, Yoma, no problem. He said Poker Stars. Poker Stars is illegal in Georgia. Poker Stars is illegal, brother. Yeah, we can't. Yeah, there's only 4. That's only legal in 5 states. Yeah, Poker Stars. What time are earnings? I think 4:20. Someone can correct me on that if I'm wrong. Let's go. All right, getting my Take Profit Trader account loaded up here. Okay, so now let's get the copier set up here, and we'll get it set up for how we want it. What up, Mad Moxie? Anybody know what poker site is not illegal in Georgia? It's, what is it called? American... There is one. I don't use it. American something. Or is it called America? I don't remember what it's called. I have an account with them. ACR? What was it? Maybe America's Card Room? I don't know. So, let's see here. 1, 2, wait, we don't count that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom! Guys, if people are hiding their evals from you, if they're not showing you how many evals they've had, hey, that's a red flag. It's a red flag, bro. All right, if you guys want to know how to set up the copy trader, this is how you do it on Client Tower. We're going to say NVIDIA full port. We're going to go Apex 34 is cooked, so that one's no good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to go 4, 3, 6. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but yeah, it's fine. Four, 4, 4. Wait. Did I do one too many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. We probably don't even have to do this. Why does that say YM? Let's turn these on. Look at this push. Save, save, and then run. Now, let's check it. Okay, we're on the wrong count. Huh. And yeah, we're good. Yes, I hope I do. All right, Yoma, I'll let you know what happens. All right, guys, we're 6 minutes from the murder bot. This thing is ripping. So if we go 10 minis, we need $3,000. What do we need? 3,000. What is that? 200? 3,000 divided by 200, or yeah, 200. 15 points. Is that it? Is that right, guys? 61 ticks. 61 ticks. That's all we need. No stop. It's 6729. Yes, bounce off that 51 there and just ripping higher. 208 here. VWAP up there, 258. This thing's just going. How many minis can I do on these Bulenox evals? 7, John, on a 50K. You think it's priced in? I don't know, Duke. I mean, I think we normally get a 150, 200 point move off these earnings, typically, right? I want to pull back into the 195s. I want to pull back here into like the 195 area. See if we get an end of the day run into the 250, maybe. We'll still get movement. Yeah, I think so too. Need to hold that 190 area on any pullbacks. That's what I'm thinking here. End of day push into 250 in the last 15 minutes. ES is at initial balance low now, though. Is that the first test of it? Not really. All right, see if we get a rip up on the end of day push here. We're on a 150K eval from Take Profit Trader here, looking for a push up here. See what happens at the market on close. The 350 algo. We want to see it take us through 225 into 250. Look for the push up here on this eval. So got in there, added on the pullback. It's kind of where I wanted to pull back to. Kind of FOMO ad on there. FOMO entry on the beginning one, but it's all right. And then I want to see a full-on VWAP touch up into that area. Takes me out of this one. We're going to go break even. All right, stopping to break even here. Actually, I'm going to put it like right here. And we got 13 seconds until, no, a minute and 13 seconds until the murder bot. $253 could be a good target up there, or a VWAP touch on this first murder bot push here. It's kind of what I expect us to kind of spike into that 50 level. Kind of leaving bullish PD arrays on the way up. That's why I think it's going up here. Nice bullish push out. It could potentially pull back, stop us out, then keep going. Do have the pivot right there at 197. Maybe I just do this. And if we get a rip higher, I will maybe add on this push up. Maybe I'll scalp 25 ticks on the way up if we do get the push, I think. Nope. Push down. Gotta hold. Gotta hold the whole number here. We're just gonna get stopped. Come on, rip it back up here. I think we're gonna get stopped. I don't like that it pushed down. I do think it still goes up, but I'm not willing to give this more room. I'll just re-enter. I mean, I guess if I'm going to re-enter, what's the difference, right? So back above 200, probably if we close above here, I'll add, and I'll go pretty heavy size. I'll probably go like 5 minis. But we really need to hold like this level here. We need to hold in here. So back into the entry there would have taken me out if I'd left my stop there. We kind of have that 50 EMA at the 160 area, so kind of the area I'm watching. You guys can see it over here. Again, I'm going to take some scalps here. We will be aggressive here. The other algorithm's 3 minutes away. And again, if we get this inversion here, we close above 206. Kind of like right there. Then I will, if we inverse this, I'm going to kind of do a little port report for you guys. We'll go like, we'll go 5 minis. So if we close above here, we'll go 5 minis. Actually, I probably should watch it on the 1 minute. Uneventful, yeah. This would be considered an A setup mechanically. The only thing about it that's not is location. Sweep liquidity, delivery from a gap. You know, it's just the location's a bit high. But other than that, it is mechanically an A setup. Mechanically, what time's the news? I think 4:20. We could get wrecked on this, but we'll see. These setups have not really been working today. I didn't go back and look since I got off. Push to 320. I don't think, I want to be honest, I don't think positive or negative has anything to do with it, Trev, but we'll see. I really don't. All right, here we go, guys. 354. We got like 30 seconds, 35 seconds. Hell, I might just plan an order up here. I don't normally do that, but I don't think it's unreasonable if we get a spike right through there. How long for news? 4:20, so we got like another 25 minutes. All right, 10 seconds. Now, if it tags us in and rips lower, worst case scenario. Tagged in. That was pretty mild. I'm going to move that second target up a little bit. That was a pretty mild 355 there. Can you trade APEX PA in this time? Right now you can, DDD. This is not good, guys. Never closed above. Yep, gonna have to kill that. We're gonna smoke this account already? I guess we might. I guess we might. That's definitely a huge sell-off. All right, well, we're about to lose the account. Gonna need it to rip higher here, otherwise this one's just gonna be gone. Nah, Duke, I'm not gonna worry about it too much. I think we are in trouble. The end is near. The end is near. Take profit, Tom. The end is near. The end is near. I was gonna kill it like right here, and then we just had like that death candle, so So then I just decided just to hold it. We got like $900 in drawdown left. And we're in 6 minis. Kind of surprised I didn't make it back to the 250, but then again, I'm not, you know. I think it's going to rip it lower here. Dun, 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 dun. All right, got a minute and a half till close. Upper Vicus. I got $400 in drawdown left right here, like 2-3 points. And $5. Hopefully this one isn't a sign of what's going to happen with Nvidia, huh? Uh-oh. I think we're gone. Yep, smoked. Smoked. Smoked it. All right. I don't know. I probably should have been a little more careful with that and just taking it off, but I didn't. You know, that's how it goes, right? That's how she goes. Final minute here. This thing's ripping. I mean, that literally ticked me, guys. Don't you do me like that, Bulenox. I think Bulenox is going to screw me here. Guys, that literally ticked me. That bottom ticked me. Yep, I knew Bulenox was going to do that. All right. I entered an order right before close, and it didn't enter me into it until after. I mean, literally, I entered a long order here, like try to just get some money back on Bulenox on one of my fundeds, and it pushed up another 20 points, and then entered me up here at the top. Luckily, I got out of it. Yeah, Bulenox does that at the, I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it does that. All right, what are we thinking, guys, as for this earnings here? I'm thinking that I mean, you can use 990. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Lots of liquidity at 243. Won't it close? No, it didn't close. It won't close. Yeah, at the last minute, you got to be in before 4 o'clock hits. Between like 4 and 4, like right after close for 20, 30 seconds, it freezes. It does that every time. And I know that, but Jeffrey thinks we're going down. I kind of feel that way too. I do kind of feel that way myself. We got the 50 EMA down there at the 170. Now, what time is NVIDIA? 420, I believe, Alcy Faye. If we're going to remain bullish on Nasdaq, I think Nvidia has to beat. Yeah, I think so too, but it can go either way, right? That's always the way it is. I'm still kind of looking for a spot on my Bulenox funded to pick up like 5 points. We'll see. Duke thinks it sells either way. I mean, man, I could see it. I don't know how that 943 level does not get taken. That's kind of the thing. It's like, you know. Get a quick pop into the 205 here. Our micro is not working well today because they're running a macro program, probably. There's the push. I was trying to get a quick push right there on my Bulenox, but I didn't hold it. Needed 206, didn't get it. All right, we got about 15 minutes until the earnings. I'll put my brackets on once we get a few minutes closer. You should be able to manage the trade now. It only does it for like a few seconds, but you should be able to manage it now. Should be able to. Otherwise, open your, if it's rhythmic, open your RTrader Pro and close it there. We push back to the 220s. Like, it's kind of annoying there. I entered that trade. I didn't hold it. I got in at 200. I was just looking for a 205 push. Should have held, I guess. It won't let you restart that. That's weird. So pulling back here, 214s. So about another 13 minutes. I'm going to can't close trade from RTrader. That's weird. Room. It's rhythmic and it won't let you. You should be able to right click on the trade and click close, exit, something like that. Shoot Bulenox a ticket right quick, but I mean, if you're stuck in it, you're stuck in it, you know. Need 59.80 pivot point, or initial balance low right there at 78.25. So kind of the only thing holding you down there. This thing's pushing. DDD, I don't really know. I have no idea. I mean, right now we're obviously pushing up, but who knows? Could easily pull back here too, so just be careful. I don't know what the expected move is, take profit, Tom. We did have a pretty big pullback the last few days, though, so I don't know. Could just go straight up. I mean, who really knows? I don't really know. So let's kind of see what happens. Again, we're going to try to pass 10 accounts. We're going to bracket above and below. That's the idea. Sounds like on Cove Stream, some other people are saying they can't get into Coves. So over in Cove Stream, saying they can't get into their Bulenox account either. Mine's working fine, so I don't know. Did get end of session freeze, but only... Yeah, me too. According to DeepSeek, the first 15 seconds are going to be bearish. Maybe I'll bracket on my Bulenox too. Maybe I'll do it. Let's bracket. You know what? Let's bracket on Bulenox too. Why not? I'm going to bracket on my Bulenox account too. It's probably not recommended, but... So like 3, yeah, something like that. All right. You think it's going to drop? I don't know. All right, let's get our brackets kind of in place here. We got about 8 minutes. Chinese AI isn't trustworthy. It's probably right in your DNA. All right, let's look at the higher time frame here right quick. So we still have previous day low. You know, we got this sitting down here as well. That wick right there. To me, I thought that was the draw yesterday. But as far as, I mean, I'm going to not be all that aggressive with these brackets. I'm going to have them pretty wide. And the reason being is because I think we can get a decent move. So the downsies will be closer. I'll probably have the downsy somewhere below 21,000. I mean, I realize, well, maybe not 21,000. I don't know. Are these too far? I do think if we push up, we at least run this up into the 400s. Just trying to think out loud here. Might dig down hard, fast, bullish. Yeah, I think if it goes up, I mean, like a lot of times the earnings, they just go right in one direction or the other. So I'm thinking like if we go up, I think we like run through these wicks here. So, I mean, I think I could even go like, there, which is crazy. That's 150 points away. I mean, we don't need much. That does seem crazy. 330 is 100 points away. All right, let's do it like this, and then we'll go on the short side. It wouldn't let me OCO the orders last. Okay, it did this time. Nice. Now again, I know these are far away. Normally, I put these a lot closer. But they're trapping. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Pivot to pivot. Yeah, that's kind of, well, this pivot's too close. Every time I try to do this with a copier, the only problem is that we get such crazy slippage. So you're going short 30 points below. Yeah, I mean, normally I would just, but the problem is if it wicks through and tags me in, it's not going to feel me on all the positions, and it's going to blow those accounts. So I'd rather just get in higher on a donkey boner candle. I don't know. It's not that different on the 5. Should be the same. I mean, I could be more aggressive over here. Let's see. I don't know. I still think I could put these a little closer, but we'll see. I mean, I don't know. I'm just going to leave it there. We'll see what happens. We got 4 minutes. Ish. 4 minutes-ish. The thing is, on these accounts, we just need 15 points. Like, it's not much. So even if you're wrong, even if you're in the wrong direction, if you get tagged in, you might still be able to get tagged out there. I don't know that it wicks up 100 points before it wicks down, though. What do you think? Probably not. Can we go like the 315s on this one? All right, I'm leaving it there. Not moving it anymore. Target 2155. 21145. 21115. So let's kind of see what happens. That's all we can do. We either pass 10 or we blow 10. I mean, it's not that, well, you know. You're thinking 300s of bullish. Yeah, that's kind of, I think 350. I mean, like, kind of up here into the 350s, maybe. We don't know. We're going to find out. We are going to find out. I think we're just going to get like a 200-point boner elevator / whatever. These earnings don't usually wick that much. I would be a little surprised if they did. So we'll see. Fafo and blow. We're all on Bozo's the clown bus. Yeah. I don't think it wicks both ends, Duke. I think that we're going to have a freaking Donkey Kong boner in one direction. That's what I think. But if it does wick, it wicks. I mean, if it gets me, it gets me. That's the risk you take. Not that big a deal. I mean, my lean is this, guys. If you want to know my lean, my lean is maybe a little wick here and then just a boner right through the 940s. That's my lean. But that being said, We are awfully low, so it could just boner candle up. It could just boner up. I don't know. It's hard. It's hard to guess. What up, bulk trades? We move. Yeah, we'll see. So, yeah, they do take private time. I'm just saying recently. Recently, it's been just one direction or the other. What up, Eskimo? All right, guys, we're getting close. We're getting close. Everybody cover their boys. Cover them right quick. Cuff them. So, yeah, we'll see, Trev. I don't know. If it wicks me and it gets me, it's fine. It is what it is. It is what it is. All right, the books are probably getting clear right now. I'm not looking, but I see that the market is not moving. Max being awfully quiet. Uh-oh. Maxie, up or down? What's it doing? He looked at... Oh, he's over there watching Pine Tree. Is Pine Tree bracketing? Okay, so he's awfully close. He's at 196 and 246. Fashion your seatbelts. Pine Tree must be thinking down. He's got that sell order awfully close. I guess he's using the trend line there for that. All right, guys. Here we go. 30 seconds. Pine Tree, don't let me influence you, man. Put it where you want. I think he's watching. Put it where you want. All right, here we go, guys. Five seconds. Oh, Maxie's getting roof, roof. You hear him? You hear him? Oh, he's barking. Right on time. All right, I don't hear any beeping yet, and my charts are froze. My charts are froze. All right, tagged in, tagged out. Did that blow those accounts? Guys, did that really blow those accounts? How does that blow those accounts? That's what I'm saying about the copier dragging like that. How does that blow those? How does that blow those accounts right there? There's no way that should have blew those accounts. Did we run the 943? We did not. I don't understand how it blew those accounts. Like, I'm not going to show you why. The Bulenox funded account, I mean, the exact same trade, and it's a W. But this account, these accounts blew. That's the risk you take with the copier. Yeah, it's weird. Yeah, I know the spread's big. I mean, I get it, but like, you know, that's annoying. All right, so the Bulenox account, that one is back in the green. A little too much, probably. We made $1,254 on that account. Well, yeah, I get it, Zach, but if it's tagged in right there and it runs, I mean, it froze so I couldn't see the exact details of it, but it went 50 points lower, right? I couldn't see the exact details. It ran this wick here, so it's reasonable to think that we probably... I might make some plays. Gonna make some quick scalp plays here. Rough. Rough. Yeah, no stop loss. Yeah, I didn't either. What Bulenox accounts do I have? 50K. Dude. Kind of annoying there. Look for a spot here to take a little scalp trade. We left this wick down here, which a lot of times likes to be taken out. I'm okay with it. I made money on the, yeah, Aussie Faye blew the accounts. Let me check all of them just to make sure. So it blew the 10 apex. I didn't hedge there. I went for the full pass of 10. So it's a little bit annoying. Yeah, it blew all of them. But the Bulenox account made money. The Bulenox funded account there. Are we going back up here? Are we going down? What are we doing? You the man, dude. Appreciate you. Yeah, that sucks. Duke, I don't know. Does it make up for it? If I get to pay out, it does. We were up like $1,200 on it. Maybe I should have had I did have the orders at 2 different spots. The Bulenox account order was like down here, a little bit further down. The earnings are out, Tony. If we get below here, I'm thinking of shorting. Let me get here, I'll pull this over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Do it, no need doing it behind the scenes, you know. All right, let me make sure I'm on the right account. I did that the other day where I was on the wrong account. 2021, no. 201, all right. 20532. Is that the one I'm supposed to be on? Yeah. You could see this account get smoked here, so just be aware. No, I had an order in for a sale down here. Let's get some of this cleaned off here. So if we lose the 90, I'm going to jump in for the rip a little bit lower here. That's what I'm thinking, Duke. Aussie Vay. What's the verdict room? On what? We failed our 10 evals. We failed, bro. That's the verdict. We failed. We're going to be full porting on this Buley funded. All right, Trev, appreciate you. No, I lost 10 room. I did not hedge. No hedging. Yeah, I can do that room. Of course. I can and I will. It's a Bulenox funded. Yes, bouncing off the pivot there. They have 40% consistency room, but I'm going to be within that. 5 p.m. Eastern, dude. They don't close the orders. You have to close it yourself. The volatility disappeared pretty quick, huh? Don't push the time limit right up to the end, or Bueller, they will blow your account. Yeah, probably. But you got plenty of time right now. I'm thinking about just taking the short right here, to be honest with you. All right, I'm in short, full port right here. Let's go and see. That's how you want it to work. So full port short right there on the on that Buley. We were down $800, and now we are not down $800. So we were down on the Buleys today, if you guys remember, after our trading. So now we're up 184, 1,254, and $15. This is the one we took the news play on. It's still under the consistency because there's 40% consistency, so you can make $1,440 in a day. You can make $1,440, and we only made $1,254, so we're well under. We're almost $2,000 in profit. We need another $1,600 to get to payout. So there you go. I do think that it's pretty high probability. Like, I know a lot of people probably want. Well, let's look and see. Yeah, we swept the low. So, like, this data wick to me is going to be a pretty good draw. So I wouldn't be shocked for us to push back down to here by close. I wouldn't be shocked. Yeah, full port 7 contracts, 25 ticks room. You can see there. Immediate winner. So that's okay. Even though the evals didn't work out, they never do, right? They never do when I'm copy trading. I don't know why they don't. I'm not sure why, but they just don't. Here's the Bulenox trade. I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, I went in 2 minis, and we almost bottom ticked it there. And then the Apex ones just, I don't know. Maybe I go down to the lower time frame. Maybe I could see it. Maybe we could see it if we go down to like the seconds, right? So here's the Apex ones on that trade. I mean, I'm not sweating it at the end of the day. I mean, we know it's risky, right? But maybe we look at the 5-second chart here. Yeah, hard to even see on the 5-second chart. So, okay. So, yeah, I guess we do see it here. Well, no, that doesn't make any sense. Unless it tagged us in and then this candle pulled back up. That's the only thing I can think of. Maybe that's what happened. Maybe it wicked down, tagged us in, didn't give us the profit, and then wicked back up and then went back down. You know? Let's go down to the seconds time frame. Must be what happened. We blew 10 tech T. All right, let's go to the seconds. All right, here we go. So yeah, I'm guessing that's what happened. The better place for the order might have been like up here somewhere. So it looks like it tagged us in. Yeah, so you can see it here. You can see it on this candle. See that wick? So that's what happened. Literally, had it not gotten us in, we would have been good. But it tagged us into the tick there. And then pulled back, blew those accounts, and then went down. So the only thing I can guess is maybe the Bulenox accounts had more, extra drawdown. Or actually, the Bulenox accounts, yeah, they didn't have extra drawdown, but it didn't get. They were a few points lower. So you had problems with Contour too. Huge data gap. Yeah, I think we feel this. I am actually kind of tempted to take this on a funded. This here's short. All right, this is what I was looking for a moment ago. I could take a retest here on one funded account. Let's go for 80 ticks, and I'm going to have a pretty tight stop on it. I want to see a retest of this 90 level. And I'm going to have a stop right. Ooh, that's still too far. Just going to put it right there. Even that's $100, so. And yeah. Yes, below the pivot here. Just wanted to make sure the copier was not on. I'm using 1 minute and 30 second. Yeah, I'm not even going for the wick, Duke. I'm just going for the bodies. I'm just going for 20 points here. Or actually, like, yeah, 20 points. But, yeah, I can't. I don't know that I want to leave it on at this point. Play 10 orders to go long. Yeah, 10 long and 10 short, Frank. I bracketed above and below. Outer has no guts to short. 138. I don't know what the level is down there. 50% of this wick. Oh, let me look. Good point. Let me measure it and see. So, yeah, like 138. Yeah, somewhere in there. All right, do we get tagged in here? I don't love it. I don't love the second push up here, but we're just risking $100. We have the protection of IBL. We have the 9. We have the, well, the pivot's above our stop, but let's watch the ES here. I may just kill this trade. Let me see. If the ES pops the pivot, I'll get out. It's right there at it right now. I mean, let's be honest. $100 stops very, very tight. All right, we're in. Yeah. Got above the pivot. Somebody calling? Oh, that's... I was like, who's calling me? Max barking at Pine Trees. Barking at something. I don't know what he's barking at. Entry was below 35 points, below 115. I have no idea. I don't remember where it was. Ripping higher here. Maxie likes it. Man, I had all that right there holding us down, and it's still... Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, LCFA. I guess in hindsight, I just picked those points kind of arbitrarily. I didn't really, you know, it's not really a reason why. I may take one more shot on one more of these accounts. I'm going to go to the one with the lowest balance. I'll be a little more aggressive on it. We'll be a little more aggressive. It's so hot in here, man. I got to get the air going. Yes, back to 978 here. Okay, let me see here. All right, wait a second. All right, so I looked at that wrong. The ES did not run the data high there. Nasdaq did. So my ES might want to go run that high first. Short is not a good idea. Well, I just noticed that the ES did not run the data high on that next push up. So maybe we want to push back up into the VWAP here. Let's try a push into the VWAP here. We got a cross here, so see those triple equal highs in the 1 minute there? No. Where? Where do you see triple equal highs at? I don't know. Are you talking about here? ES pushing here, 79, holding up there. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, we're there right now. Yeah, I didn't. I mean, I don't know if those are relative to me, but I mean, some people look at the equal highs differently, right? Seems as though we were in a similar scenario going into the close, and we had a dumpage. All right, I'm probably going to go break even above that wick there. Yeah, relatively equal, yeah. Want us to get above that wick. Maxi's whimpering. I don't know what that means. Does that mean he doesn't like it? Maybe. That might mean he doesn't like it. I don't know. I mean, we did have like 8 points there we could have taken. 10 points, actually. Maybe we should have taken those 10 points. Dun, 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 dun. Looking a bit rejecty. Yeah, I'm considering adding though, and the problem is stop's got to be too far away. Let's see here. Yeah, I see it. I was looking to see if 0-day J's on. Is he not on? I don't see him. Price is dead here. Yeah, 16 minutes. I don't see it. It's so hot in here. All right. Need a bounce here. All right, got out of one there. Still in the other. Go ahead and get the stop in here. I don't really want to see it come back into this area. If it does, I don't want to be in it. Might just kill it. Getting a little wiki action here. All right, Outer. See you tomorrow. Room, just close it before the end of the day. So 1 minute before the... Just close it at 59 after. At 13 minutes, this thing's really not moving. I'm going to break even here. I want to see it push now if it's going to do it. Room is short, of course. All right, John. Come on, just go. That's not the go that I meant. Really? Just gonna tag me out and then go? That's rude. Rude. Yeah, do I just get back in here? I don't know. Just struggling to kind of go. Can it push in the last 10 minutes? I don't normally trade this time of day, so don't want to be too unreasonable with it. Probably not going to get much in way of movement. I mean, literally, as soon as I press buy, it just rips lower. You see that? You guys see that? All right, can we get a push? What up, Robert? We got 10 minutes left. Oh, wait. There's Jay. Hey, I was Jay's 100th like. Let's go. Pass one eval on the full send. Let's go. Nice job. Give it to me. Yeah, I can't let this thing go red at this point. I mean, come on, give me the push into the end of the day here. All right, let's do the J push. Get up there! Oh, shit. And it's not listening to me. Please. Please be a very, very, very nice girl. Please go to 236. Thank you. Thank you. It would be very kind of you, good sir. I would appreciate. Oh, shit. The stop didn't even go in there. All right, never mind. All right, I got a little bit back there. Yeah, Pine Tree, not bad, not bad. We got a little back there. We entered that 238 down 357. Now we're down 238. So, what up, Duke? We tried to get it to just go. Give it a little push. Just a little push. Just a little pushy poo. There she goes. Give us the elevator. No. I actually think it's going to go up now, Zach, because like I said, looking at the ES, like if you see the Nasdaq here, I was looking for shorts and I wouldn't have taken that short had I had saw this earlier, but I didn't. So you see how Nasdaq took that level on the 1 minute? Look what the ES did. It did not take it. So now I feel like this wants to go and take that and then come back down there. So, but I didn't even notice that when I was trying. I took a short here. And looking back on it, this was actually a long trigger, but I didn't notice that until after this trade. Like, there's an inversion, right? Clean inverse, pull back, break even here. Questionable whether you would have got stopped there on this pullback, but gave you 25 points off the entry right there. That would have been a really good setup. I don't know why I didn't take that. Well, I know why, because I was short. Look at this thing just go. Did we get out too soon, guys? Do we dare test the fate? Do we dare test the fate of another entry? I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do we test the fate of another entry? Should we go with a little short scalp here? Back into the VWAP. It's kind of what I'm considering. Considering a short scalp back into the VWAP. Or does it make more sense to long? So something like that with a stop just like right there. Yep, that didn't work. So I probably just gave back what we made. I do think it's going to pull back into the VWAP. Yeah, I think I was probably one candle too soon there. I almost didn't see that order sitting there. Although it wouldn't have been the worst thing in the world to get tagged in on it, to be honest. So yes, did find it fought above there. Man, are we gonna make it? I don't know. I'll place an order here. See if we get a pull back into there. Actually, I'm gonna go to. Let's see if we get a push back up into that area. So let's see if we get a pull back here. Stop will be dun, 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 dun. All right, we only got 3 minutes left here. I don't want to just jump in here, but I mean, I guess I could. Yes, fought its way above the VWAP. Again, it's at 91, 90, 96, that data high up there. I'm just going to jump in here. I think it just pumps. We think it just pumps, and if it doesn't, we'll add. We don't have much time here, though. And of course, as soon as I jump in, I mean, classic, right? Classic Nasdaq. And that would have been my entry. That's where I wanted to get in at. All right, we're going in heavy here. See if it pushes. If it doesn't, we might be in trouble. Yes, right off the VWAP there, so I think we get a little push up. More? We only got a minute and 50 seconds. Or actually, do we have to be out on the Apex within the... Do I only got 49 seconds left? I don't know. Cancel mission. No, stock. I'm just live for just a few more minutes. 30 seconds. Well, I'd like it to push on up here and get me out of these two right here, at least. Into the final minute here. All right, got out there. Got out break even. Oh, does Apex close you out auto? I'm not sure. If they did, I might have would have left it on. Might have would have left it on if I knew that. Probably hits that target there. At least the second one. Oh, Ninja Trader 8 they do. I've been left in an Apex trade overnight, so that's why I was a little worried with it. Wouldn't have made it back to it anyway. So, right stop out. All right. Anyways, if you guys just joined us, we did get a couple of accounts back to green. You know, did make one account a little worse, but that's okay. I mean, it's part of the thing, right? So, but yeah, that's it. We'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Appreciate you guys watching. If you want to support the channel, use code MYTH for Apex 80% off, MM for all the other prop firms, 91% off Bulenox, and we'll see you.